14x equals 5. Recreate the equation and in an equivalent factored form to reveal the zeros. What is the easiest way to do that? All right, here's what I'll do.
3x squared plus 14x equals 5.
I'm going to use the quadratic equation on this. I could try factoring this, and it might work, but I don't want to. The reason being is because I don't want to deal with that 3 out in front. I hate factoring with those things. I'd rather just use the quadratic equation, and since most of you guys forgot the quadratic equation, it's good that I'll just show you. Actually, you know what? I'm going to cheat. I'm going to go like this.
3x squared plus 14x minus 5 equals 0.
Then, since this is the part of the exam where I can use a graphing calculator, I'm going to go to my calculator, and there was an error in the calculator. What's wrong with the calculator? I'm going to go to the calculator that Mr. Dalde posted inside the class for you guys to use that is still doing an error. Oh gosh, it's because I didn't log. This is such a weird thing. Alright. Yeah, it knows. Alright, you know what? No, I'm not cheating. I'm just creatively using the tools that they gave me. So, you know what? Calculator, deal with it. Let's see if I can do this. Graph. No, I want to type in the expression 3x squared plus 14x minus 5. Graph. Oh, darn. See, with the graphing calculator, at least I can get a ballpark figure of what the answer is going to be. It looks to me like it crosses at -5. I guess I could go to a table and see if that works. Exactly, at -5, it crosses at 0. So, that should be one of my answers. So I bet you
one of my answers is going to end up looking like this. X plus 5, and then there's going to be something over here equals 0.
And the problem is I can't really tell from the graph exactly where the second spot is. This is probably going to look something like
x minus, I don't know, like 0.2
or something. I can't really tell exactly where it crosses. So cheating doesn't work. But it kind of does, because at least I know what the idea of my graph is going to look like. Does that make sense to you? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to straight up use
the quadratic equation. Let's plug it in. -14 plus or minus the square root.
Oh shoot, what is 14 squared? I'm going to go back to the scientific. 14 squared. 196.
196 minus 4 times 3 times -5. So that would be positive 5.
And 4 times 3 times 5, that's equal to 60. All right, here we go.
R divided by 2a, so that would be R divided by 6. So that would be -14 plus or minus the square root of 196 plus 60 over 6.
All right, what is 196 plus 60? 256. Square root that. Oh, oops. Square root of 256. 16. Oh, awesome.
So that's -14 plus or minus 16 over 6. Oh, interesting. Okay. So
what is... That's either...
-14 plus 16, so that would be 2 over 6. Or -14 minus 16, so that would be -30 over 6.
Am I right? There's the plus, there's the minus. You guys all right? Oh, shoot, my computer screen froze. All right, I'll tell you what. Yeah, the computer screen froze. Hold on, 1 second. Oh, it's thinking.
It's thinking. Come on, do the problem. All right, whatever. All right, so my two answers is 2/6 or -30 over 6. So I would say that one of my answers is 2/6 is the same as 1/3. That's also 0.33333 whatever. And then negative 30 over 6, that's pretty easy. That's negative 5. So if I wrote this thing in factored form, I would write it as x plus 5 and x minus 0.33333, and so on and so forth, equals 0.
Or equals
F of x.
um
I probably wouldn't put a 0.333. What I would do is I'd probably make that just 1/3. That's a horrible 1/3. Sorry. 1/3.
which is pretty close to what I guessed it to be, right? I guessed it to be zero point 0.2. Does this thing cross at 0.333? Yeah, all right, I could hang with that. I guess if you want, I could go into a table and I can say, well, what is it at 0.33333? It should be a really small number. Yeah, that's a really small number. Maybe if I put in 1 divided by 3, it might like that better. Oh, it doesn't like that. All right. It just likes, you know, decimals. Okay, whatever. So, do you guys see how I got this answer? All right, cool.